Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be baking barbecue chicken. Now this is not an ordinary barbecue chicken. For today we're only be using two key ingredients. That will be chicken thigh and barbecue sauce. Now we will just need some basic condiments like oil, salt, and pepper para pang ano lang dun sa chicken. Now, it's a good thing yung barbecue sauce sa chicken nuggets. Kung familiar kayo, kung bumibili kayo ng chicken nuggets, meron siyang mga barbecue sauce na packets, mga ganito. So, hindi ko kasi siya ginagamit pag nagluluto ko ng chicken nuggets. So, tinatabi ko lang siya, nilagay ko lang siya sa ref. And kasi inaisip ko, baka sakaling napapaggamitan ako, and that would be today. So, thank goodness at tinabi ko itong mga barbecue sauce. May magagamit tayong barbecue sauce for today. Kaya kayo, kung huwag yung tinatapon yung mga packets, itago nyo lang. Katulad din ng mga hot sauce sa mga pizza na hindi nyo nagagamit yung ketchup. Tabi nyo lang, lagay nyo sa ref nyo. Who knows, someday, kailangan nyo din gamitin yan. So, nakita ko lang to sa Pinterest. This is a 2-ingredient chicken barbecue. I-bake natin siya. Dun sa recipe na nakita ko, yung ingredients niya is good for 8 to 10 chicken thighs or drumstick. Now, ang meron lang ako dito is tatlong chicken thighs, ganito lang siya. So, una natin gagawin is babalutin natin yung chicken ng oil. Any oil will do. Pero nakalagay dun sa recipe, olive oil yung ginamit nila. So, may olive oil naman ako. So, yun na lang gamitin natin. Just coat the chicken, the entire chicken with oil first. Then, season it with salt and pepper. Habang ginagawa nyo ito, initin nyo na yung oven nyo sa 205 degrees Celsius. Habang preheat nyo yung oven, i-ready nyo na yung chicken. Medyo messy. Kailangan malinis ang kamay nyo habang ginagawa nito. Yan, pakay na yung oven. Ready na. To season the chicken with salt and pepper. Hindi naman kailangan marami. Kasi, pag nilagyan nyo na ng barbecue sauce to later, lalasa na yung chicken. Now, the pepper. Seasoning the chicken. We remove everything from the counter kasi masikip. So, with your baking pan, the baking sheet, the chicken should be placed skin side down. So, baliktarin nyo muna siya. Medyo maliit yung nagawa natin. So, pagkakasahin natin siya. Kailangan pagkasahin natin. Now, put this in the oven and bake it for 25 minutes. So, ready na natin yung barbecue sauce na gagawin natin. Naka-indicate dun sa recipe na nakita ko, you need about 2 cups of barbecue sauce. Pero, that is for 8 to 10 chicken nga. So, hindi natin kailangan ng ganun kadaming barbecue sauce. Dahil tatlo lang naman yung, tatlong piraso lang yung chicken na niluluto natin. We'll just be using, I think, paabot naman ko ng 1 cup. So, I think that's about 1 cup. Now, with the basting brush, yung gagamitin natin later para i-coat yung chicken. So, haluin muna natin to para ma-ready na later. I-base natin yung chicken pagkatapos niyang ma-bake para i-bake ulit natin. For now, we need to wait for the chicken to cook muna. So, our sauce is ready. Okay, the chicken is done. Well, not really done. So, labas na natin siya. Okay, what we just need to do is to baste the chicken with the barbecue sauce. Make sure fully coated yung ibaba before baliktarin. So, you can see medyo oily yung ano natin kasi nga nataba yung chicken. With itong, babaliktarin natin yung chicken. Make sure intact pa din yung skin ng chicken. Now, baste ulit natin ng barbecue sauce. We'll need to repeat this process for 2 more times. Okay, that's done. Now, we'll put it back sa oven and bake it for another 7 minutes. Pero, mas tataasan natin yung temperature to 220 degrees Celsius. After 7 minutes, ilalabas nyo ulit siya sa oven. Then, ibibase nyo ulit yung top ng barbecue sauce. Then, ibabalik nyo ulit sa oven for another 7 minutes. So, let's wait for another 7 minutes. Then, we'll put it out again from the oven. Tapos, lagyan ulit natin ng barbecue sauce yung ibabaw ng chicken. Then, we'll put it back for another 7 minutes or so. So, medyo ipok-pok nyo lang yung chicken para talagang maluto yung loob niya. Ubusin mo na lahat ng barbecue sauce. So, this time, ibibake na natin siya for about 10 minutes until maluto na maigi yung chicken and mag-crispy yung ano niya, ibabaw. So, i-change ko yung setting niya to broil then for 10 minutes. Once that's done, pwede na yung chicken natin i-serve. So, yan guys, natapos na yung ating chicken barbecue. Ayan. So, it's ready to serve. Lagyan lang natin sa plate. This is it guys, our baked chicken barbecue. So yung sauce dun sa binake natin ng chicken, ibinuhos ko lang dito sa ibabaw rin ng chicken para maging pinaka sauce or gravy niya. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please click the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. See you again on my next vlog. Bye!